Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove your payment method on the Walmart app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and remove your payment method. Maybe it's an old one, or maybe you no longer want to use that card to pay for Walmart groceries. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Walmart app. Next, click on Account on the bottom right-hand corner. Afterwards, click on the gear icon on the top right-hand corner. Then go ahead and click on Wallet. Now, on this section here, click on Edit next to the card which you want to go ahead and remove, and then click on Remove. So once you remove this card, there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and remove your payment method from the Walmart app. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.